How to buy near protocol in OKX. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can buy near protocol in OKX. Now let's go. How do we go about it? The first step is to log in into your OKX account, and then once you're logged in, you will be brought to the OKX exchange page automatically. And the next thing is to go ahead and open your wallet. Now, how do you open your wallet? Move to the top part of the screen. You'll see two options: exchange and wallet. So ensure you click on wallet. Then you'll be taken to your wallet page. So once you're on this wallet page, the next step and the next thing to do is to ensure that you have funds in your OKX wallet. Okay, you have to deposit cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies into your wallet. Now, once you have funds, the next thing is to navigate to the trading section, which is located by the lower part of the screen. So once you click on trade, you'll be taken to the trade section where you see different tabs. You'll see market, swap, spot, derivatives. Okay, ensure you are on swap. So once you're on swap, the next thing to do is to go to the top part of the screen and then click on market. This is because you would have to search for near. Okay, so in the search box, just type out near. All right, and then select it. Select any standard of your choice, and then you wait for it to load. Okay, once that's loaded, this is the trading sections page. So this page now, you can either decide to click on limit order to get your desired price, or you can just click on swap to buy at the current market price. So whichever one. For me, I would select limit order, and then after selecting limit order, you'd wait for it to load, and then you'll be directed to a page where you'll be asked to choose the trading pair you want. So it could be USDT near, it could be BTC near, whatever one. Just select it, and then once you're done filling all of the required details asked of you, ensure you select the amounts and all of that. And then once you're done selecting the amount, double check the details of your order, which includes the amount of the near you want to buy and total cost. Then go ahead and confirm the transaction, and then click on place limit order. All right, and then you are good to go. But ensure your wallet security settings are up to date. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. So this is how it works. This is how you can buy near protocol in OKX. Thanks for watching and have a good day.